Hey everybody, it's Lindsay with Organize to Save. So are you looking for budget-friendly ways to get yourself organized? Well, today I'm going to walk you through 10 organizing products from the dollar store to get your house whipped back into shape. Let's dive in. Today's video is actually a collaboration video with Christina from the DIY Mommy. So make sure you check out her channel, and she's put together a special organizing playlist. So I will leave those both linked in the description below. If you are new from Christina's channel, welcome. On my channel, I talk all about getting you organized to save your time, money, and space. There's new videos every single Wednesday, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. Alright guys, so Dollar Tree is probably my #1 store to go to for anything organizing. So today I'm going to walk you through my top 10 organizing products and just show you how I use them in my home and hopefully give you guys a couple ideas on inspiration on how you can reorganize your home on a budget. One of my absolute favorite products at the Dollar Tree are these labels. I use these literally almost everywhere in my home. They're great clear labels, so it's really easy to see what is on there, and I like that they're plastic too, so if anything does get like splattered on, the plastic is going to protect the label from getting wet. When we travel, one of my favorite things to put together for my daughter is a snack bin. I love to use this divider to make snack bins. I love that it has all of these different compartments, so that way I can put, multiple different kinds of snacks in here, packaged or unpackaged, closed tight, so if it gets shook around in her bag, I know that it's not going to spill everywhere. So this is just a great way, and it keeps her occupied as well because she has fun being able to, pick from different snacks in here. You can also use this to organize jewelry, organize crafts, and it's a lifesaver for traveling. This next piece is just a clear tray that I love because it has 3 different compartments. You can easily divide out different things. I like using it for my hair products as well as all of my nail polish, and I keep my perfumes in there as well. So I simply just use this over the door coat hanger and used it to make a gift wrapping station. So this would be perfect if you are in a tight space or an apartment, or just want to set it up even just for the holidays. So I simply just hung up the bags. So for the gift wrap, I just used some binder clips and clipped them onto the rolls and then just hung them. And then I used the space at the top just to put some bows, made for a quick, easy little organized gift wrapping station. I always see these little caddies at the Dollar Tree, and I love them for so many different things, but one of my favorites is to use it as a cleaning caddy. So I simply just stock it with everything that I use to clean. This is all of my Norwex products that I typically carry around the house, and then it is all in one little package ready to go. This next one is just a clear shoebox container, and they come with the lid, but I again use these all over my house. So I use these in our office to keep all of our crafting supplies organized. What I do in the office is I actually just put a piece of white paper in the front here, and then use our trusty labels to put it on the front. But these are really great. They can stack really nicely on top. They kind of nest inside of each other. My #1 tips that I have for organizing is to group things together. So utilizing bins like this is great for that. Alright, these containers are awesome. I use these in my pantry for all of my baking flours. This one in particular, I actually used it for a pancake mix and just wrote out the directions on the side with the Sharpie as well as the expiration dates. But these are great because they're clear and they have a nice flip top lid. These white bins I have used for several different things, but right now I'm using them in my master closet just to divide out some of my different clothes. I do have a video all about my master closet, so I will link that if you want to check that out. Alright, these little guys are actually for pens and pencils, but I simply just used some 3M hooks, put them on the door so that way my daughter could get to all of her stuff really easily. And then we also have these in a couple different cupboards. One of them specifically is holding all of our straws. So they're great little caddies. Using the 3M hooks keeps them in place. This last one is one of my favorites. It's just a $3 Lazy Susan using 2 pie pans and some marbles. All right, so like I said, organizing does not have to be expensive. I hope you guys picked up a couple ideas on how you can revamp some spaces in your home, but still stay within your budget. Again, don't forget to subscribe below so you don't miss any other videos coming your way every single Wednesday. And check out the other videos on your screen right now for some more organizing inspiration. Thanks so much, you guys, and we'll catch you next time.